Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Love Me Hair, and they sent me, honestly I don't know what curl this is, but they sent me this beautiful kind of wavy type of body wave, no, water wave I should say. What did I say? Body wave, like water wave type of crimpy looking curl. Like honestly guys, I don't know what curl this is, but I will definitely put it down in the description box so you guys will know. Anyways, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So they sent me some hair care like always, and this bag to put the hair in when I'm done wearing it. They also sent me some stocking cap, but I have one on my head so I don't need to use it. They sent this little pouch. Love Me Hair always comes in clutch when it's time to send you like packages. Like they're actually good with that. Not packages, but like a gift with your purchase. They're actually good. So they sent me this headband thingy to tie around my hair. This is like a pocket mirror, so if you're out on the road and you want to see if your lace is still laying or if something needs to fix, then it's good to have. And some baby hair combs. And obviously this wig. Like I said, I'm not really sure about the curls, so I don't really want to say. I think this is 24 inches and it is a 5x5. It is a closure. I didn't do any for my baby hair and I didn't use any glue on this wig. I just sprayed it down and it was ready in like a minute or two, literally. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching.
What you wanna be, who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. You just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin. What you wanna be, who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Yeah, my baby, send an action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this my shit ain't no bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin. What you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You just do what you wanna live, how you wanna spin. What you wanna be, who
Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The hair, honestly, it is a different type of curl. I don't remember what curl this is, but it's a different type of curl to work with. Like, for a second I'm like, I don't know if I should leave it as is. I don't know if I should wet it. I don't know. As you can see, like right here needs to be dried a little bit, but once it's dry, then it will pretty much look like the back part right here. But yeah, this is the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys like, so if you guys would love to purchase this wig, definitely check the description box down below. But once again, I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.